Methylene Blue and a quick biology breakdown. Your body uses a particular fuel. It runs on ATP. That's adenosine triphosphate, the actual energy currency of your cells. And it's produced inside microscopic power stations called mitochondria. Inside those mitochondria is a system called the electron transport chain. Think of it like a relay race. Electrons are passed step by step to build a proton gradient. That gradient drives a turbine called ATP synthase. And that turbine is what generates ATP. But here's the problem: electrons don't always move cleanly. Some leak out, react with oxygen, and form reactive oxygen species, basically internal muck. Over time, that oxidative stress damages cells and plays a role in chronic disease. Now, enter methylene blue. This is where things get interesting. Methylene blue acts as a redox compound, meaning it can both accept and donate electrons. Instead of letting electrons get stuck or leak out early in the chain, it grabs them at the front end and delivers them further down the line directly to cytochrome C. Translation: it bypasses the congestion. The result is more efficient energy production and less oxidative stress. There's research showing significant increases in cellular energy output, not because more fuel was added, but because the system itself ran better. And remember, you are that system. Now, think about brain fog. It sounds mild, but what it really reflects is low energy in the brain. Your brain is only about 2% of your body weight, yet it uses roughly 20% of your total energy. When mitochondrial function drops, neurons can't keep up. Communication slows, focus drops. Methylene blue helps support that energy demand, essentially upgrading how efficiently those brain cells produce power. It also has another effect. At low doses, it acts as a mild reversible MAOA inhibitor, which can influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine. That's part of why people report improvements in mood, focus, and mental clarity. There's even research showing a single low dose can enhance memory retrieval. Now, zoom out to physical recovery. Injury, whether it's muscle damage or inflammation, requires massive amounts of energy to repair. If ATP production is low, healing slows down and tissue quality suffers. By supporting mitochondrial function, methylene blue helps cells meet that energy demand during recovery. And then there's the bigger picture. Conditions like neurodegeneration aren't just random, they're deeply tied to energy failure in cells. In diseases like Alzheimer's, brain imaging shows reduced glucose metabolism, meaning neurons are essentially energy deprived. Methylene blue has been studied for its ability to help bypass some of those metabolic breakdowns and support cellular energy production, while also interacting with processes like tau protein formation. At its core, this is about one thing: energy. When cells can't produce it efficiently, systems start to fail. When you improve how that energy is made, function improves. Comment blue for more info.